Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use New York public transportation, only ways. Start by buying a MetroCard or using Omni Tap to Pay and check your planned route on the MTA map or a transit app. Know where entrances, exits, and transfer corridors are to save time. Keep small change or your contactless card handy for buses. Stay aware of service changes and peak hour crowding to make smarter travel choices throughout the day. Boarding the subway is simple once you know a few habits. Wait behind the yellow line, let people exit before you enter, and move inside to free up space. Check the car labels for accessibility and the digital signs for final destinations, and choose local versus express based on your stop. If you need help, ask a conductor or nearby rider politely. Keep belongings secure and be ready to tap or swipe when exiting. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice and enjoy a fresher ride between trips. I place one near my commuter bag. Look in the description for that link and other deals we mention. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Using buses complements subway travel and adds flexibility, especially for crosstown trips. Tap Omni or insert a MetroCard when boarding, and remember to request a transfer if your route requires it. Stand near the front for stops and signal clearly so the driver knows to stop. Check live bus locations in an app to time your arrival and reduce wait time. Carry a small umbrella and layer clothing for changing weather while you travel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.